Hi everyone, my name is Selin and I'm product designer at Storyly. Today we're gonna be talking about the Storyly UI Kit. It's a file that helps you preview and interact with sample components and styles. This will help you easily prepare story designs. Let's dive in. So if you want to use this UI Kit, all you need to do is head up here and choose Get a Copy. When you click on that, what that's gonna do, it's grabbing a copy of that document and place it inside your drafts folder. That's gonna allow you to customize it and change it up as needed. So let's say, for instance, if you accidentally deleted something and you can't get it back, just choose again Get a Copy. You can copy as many times as you want. We will update this file as we have new features. However, your copy is not automatically updated, so you must copy it again to reach its current version. On the left sidebar, in the Layers tab, you can always find all the pages. On the first page, you can read all information and guide about the UI Kit. Also, there's an index here, so you can go to the relevant place by finding the component or feature you want to reach every time you use it. On the second page, you can find all components and styles in Storyly. There are explanations of how you can create the style of your story group covers. And there are guides that tell you in which ratio you should create your stories according to devices. And then you can find examples, explanations, and all components of other CTAs and interactives. On the third page, we prepared a playground. So you can create a stories design and see how your stories look on different devices. Let's together prepare a story. First of all, you will see sample components here and the frame we will design and all the different devices. I double click here and you will see on the left sidebar the background selected. I'm going to set that filter color wherever I want, or I can add an image to my folder. Select my design, click open, there we go. If you want to change how the image map inside of this frame, you can change that setting in this property menu, and you can adjust the cropping in this way. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here, the text. Let's say your discount coupon. Yeah. And maybe we can change the color like this. And then I can put it here, the promo code. Select the promo code, copy it, and the background selected, paste it. On the right sidebar, you will see component variants. We can change properties of this component. You can change color or size, even like this. And you will see this variants menu in all other components too. Okay, then I'm gonna put it the swipe up, copy it, paste it. Okay, let's say just start shopping. You can change black and this black and the text is white. Okay, this story design is ready, and now I can preview on devices. That's it. After this point, you can export the design you have prepared and upload it as an image to the Story Studio, and add the CTA or interactives you want to add in the studio. Let's say together. I'm creating a copy of the design. So select the frame, copy it, and paste it. First, I'm going to select the promo code and swipe up and delete them because we will place them in Story Studio. Now I want to export this design, but I want to give you a tip before we move on. To upload higher quality images to the studio, I want to scale this frame. For this, press K and I'm changing the width of my design to 1080. Now I can export like this. Click the export and like this. I came to the Stirling Studio. Now I want to upload my image, so click here, select my design, click open, and then I put it here, promo code, like here, and we say code 2023. And now I put it here in the swipe up, and we say start shopping, and yeah, story is ready. So hopefully find this helpful and let us know how it goes. Bye.